Hello, my wonderful friends. I hope you're having a great day. And if you're not, that's perfectly okay too. Sometimes all it takes is a little encouragement to feel better, and I truly believe this video might be just what you need right now. Today, I'm not only here to boost your motivation, I want to share with you some powerful mental weapons. Why? Because let's be honest, life can be tough, and it isn't always kind to those who are unprepared. If you're overly emotional, some people might try to take advantage. If you let overthinking take over, you might find yourself missing out as the world moves forward. And if you're too gentle, there's always a risk that someone might hurt you and never even say sorry. People will sometimes use you, mislead you, laugh at your dreams, or take your silence for weakness. That's why, in today's world, you need something even more valuable than money, good looks, followers, or fame. You need strong mental resilience. Because let's face it, weak minds often suffer in silence, while strong minds quietly rise and build their own empires. But what does it mean to be mentally strong, really? It's not about being the loudest in the room or pretending to be happy all the time. It's about not reacting emotionally to every little problem, choosing peace over panic, and staying calm even during life's storms. Unfortunately, many people today struggle with their mental strength. They might get angry in seconds, break down over minor setbacks, compare themselves to others on social media, or constantly look for validation just to feel okay. But that can end today, if you choose to make a change. In this video, I'm going to share 15 powerful tips that can help you become mentally stronger than 99% of people out there. And remember, strong minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, and weak minds discuss people. Let's stop playing small. Let's become quietly powerful and improve our English together along the way. 1. Train your mind to stay calm, especially in chaos. A strong mind isn't one that never feels pain. It's a mind that knows how to stay calm, even when the world feels like it's falling apart. We all face stress. Money issues, exams, relationship troubles, family pressures, heartbreak, failure. But how you respond matters most. Most people lose control, panic, blame others, or act impulsively. But mentally strong people pause, breathe, think, and act wisely. Reacting with anger or fear never solves the problem. It just creates more. For example, if someone insults you in public, a weak person might shout back and make things worse. A strong person? They smile, walk away, and let their success speak for itself. Remember, a calm mind is your greatest weapon. You can't build a successful life if your emotions control you. So start practicing. When someone upsets you, don't reply instantly. Breathe. Let your mind settle before you act. Ask yourself, will this matter in 5 years? Calmness is not weakness. It's quiet, unshakable strength. 2. Spend quality time alone and learn to enjoy it. Many people are scared of being alone. They need constant conversation, music, social media, or noise. But here's the truth. If you can't sit quietly with yourself for 30 minutes, how will you handle the big storms of life? Spending time with yourself helps you understand your thoughts and feelings and lets you become emotionally independent. The strongest people aren't those with the most friends. They're those who feel complete even when they're alone. Being alone doesn't mean being lonely. It means having the space to reflect, recharge, and grow. Try journaling your thoughts each day, going for walks without headphones, or asking yourself deep questions. The more you understand yourself, the less you'll need attention or validation from others. 3rd, stop overthinking. Learn to let things go. Overthinking is one of the biggest obstacles to mental strength. We all do it, replaying conversations, worrying about what others think, or imagining worst-case scenarios. But overthinking doesn't change the past or prepare you for the future. It just steals your peace and confidence. Take charge by reminding yourself, not everything deserves your energy. Explain yourself once. If someone doesn't understand, let it go. If you make a mistake, fix it if you can, forgive yourself, and move on. Don't torture yourself with endless what-ifs. Instead, train your brain to interrupt negative loops with thoughts like, "This isn't helping. Let's focus on what I can control." Overthinking is a habit, but so is peace. Choose which one to practice. 4. Don't chase attention. Build self-respect instead. We live in a world obsessed with attention. Likes, followers, compliments. But true mental strength begins when you stop asking, "Who's watching me?" and start asking, "Am I proud of who I'm becoming?" Weak people crave attention to feel alive. Strong people focus on their goals and clap for themselves, even when no one else does. Think about it. Some people go to the gym just for selfies and likes, but skip the real work. Others train quietly and transform themselves, not for the applause. That's real confidence. Stop sharing every move and let your results speak. Impress your future self, not strangers. Attention is temporary, but self-respect lasts forever. 5. Seek discomfort. Growth lives outside your comfort zone. If you always choose the easy path, you'll never develop a strong mind. Our generation is addicted to comfort. Easy jobs, easy relationships, easy excuses. But growth only happens when you step into the unknown. Strong people have all faced pain, rejection, and failure, but they kept going. If public speaking scares you, volunteer to speak, even if your voice shakes. If you want to get fit, embrace the burn. Discomfort isn't your enemy, it's your teacher. Every time you choose growth over comfort, you become stronger. So do the hard things, the scary things, the uncomfortable things, every day. 6. Be patient with success. Stop rushing the process. We're all in such a hurry for results. We want instant success, love, money, and respect. But lasting success takes time. Think of a tree. Before it grows tall, it spends years growing unseen roots. That's what makes it strong during storms. Don't compare your progress to others. Instead, ask yourself, how can I be better today than yesterday? Am I doing the work even when no one's watching? Be patient and consistent. Remember, the day you plant the seed isn't the day you eat the fruit. You're building something real, and real success takes time. 7. Be disciplined. Show up even when you don't feel like it. Motivation is great, but it comes and goes. Discipline is what keeps you moving forward. Don't wait to feel inspired. Just do what needs to be done. Whether it's studying, working out, or practicing English, show up every day, even when it's boring or hard. Imagine two people learning English. One studies only when motivated. The other practices daily, no matter what. 6 months later, who's fluent? The disciplined one? Every time. Results come from routines, not just motivation. Make discipline your new identity. It's self-respect in action. 8. Live in the present. Stop replaying the past and fearing the future. Mentally weak people spend their lives stuck in the past or worrying about the future. But the present is all you really have. Strong people focus on now. They listen, feel, and act in the moment. Try this. Eat without distractions. Really taste your food. Talk to someone and give them your full attention. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back. The present is where life happens, where healing and growth begin. Don't let your mind steal your moments. Live them. 9. Don't compare yourself to others. Your journey is unique. Comparison is the thief of joy. We all do it, scrolling through social media, wishing we were as successful, happy, or fluent as someone else. But their path isn't your path. Maybe you're just growing your roots, and your time to shine is coming. Celebrate your own progress. Unfollow people who make you feel small. Spend time with those who lift you up. Your timing is perfect for you, and your journey is sacred. Once you stop comparing, you'll start truly living and growing. 10. Practice gratitude. A grateful heart can survive anything. Gratitude isn't just about saying thank you. It's about finding beauty, even in difficult times. When you focus on what you have, not what you lack, you feel stronger and more peaceful. Start small. Every morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Every night, give thanks for one good thing from your day. Slowly, your mind will shift from focusing on what's wrong to noticing what's right. Gratitude is your mental armor. It's what makes you unbreakable. 11. Let go of what you can't control. Free your mind, free your power. So many people are exhausted from trying to control things they can't. What others think, how people react, or whether life is fair. But true strength is knowing what's in your control and releasing the rest. Next time you're stressed, ask yourself, can I control this? If not, breathe, let it go, and move forward. Use your energy on things you can change. Your thoughts, choices, focus, and reactions. Peace comes from surrender, not from controlling everything. 12. Make small, positive changes. Big transformations. Begin with tiny steps. Big goals are achieved through small, consistent actions. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Want to get healthy? Start with 5 push-ups a day. Want to improve your English? Learn 5 new words daily. Want to feel calmer? Sit in silence for 3 minutes. Change isn't about doing everything at once. It's about making tiny adjustments over time. These small habits add up to big results. Start now and remember, you are planting seeds for your future. 13. Take responsibility for your failures. No more excuses. Blaming others for your failures keeps you stuck. Mentally strong people own their mistakes, learn from them, and grow. When you take responsibility, you move from being a victim to being the creator of your own life. If you fail an exam, don't blame the teacher or circumstances. Ask yourself what you could have done differently. Every failure is a chance to learn and get better. Excuses are easy. Growth is harder, but it's always worth it. 14. Do the hardest thing first. Train your mind for courage. Each morning, tackle your toughest task first. It might be studying, making a difficult call, or having a hard conversation. When you do the hardest thing first, everything else feels easier, and your confidence grows. Don't let procrastination steal your day. Doing the hard thing trains your brain to face discomfort and builds unstoppable mental strength. Make it a habit. One hard thing every morning. 15. Eliminate negativity. Protect your peace like your life depends on it. It's not always about adding more to your life. Sometimes it's about removing what drags you down. Negativity comes from toxic people, unhealthy environments, and even your own thoughts. Start protecting your peace. Set boundaries. Limit time with negative people. Clean your space, and take breaks from social media. Speak kindly to yourself. Your mind is like a plant. It can only grow in a healthy environment. Remove what doesn't serve you, and watch your strength soar. My amazing friends, remember this. You don't need to be perfect or have everything figured out. You just need to be strong enough to try, one day at a time, one step at a time, one thought at a time. The world may challenge you and people may disappoint you, but as long as you keep growing, you are already winning. So stay calm, stay kind, and keep becoming the strongest version of yourself, silently, patiently, and powerfully. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, because together we are growing stronger every day. Take care of your mind, protect your peace, and always remember, I believe in you. I'll see you in the next one. Keep going.